Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the phrasal verbs turn down and break up. Remember that a phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or both. Now typically their meaning is not obvious from the meanings of the individual words themselves. Now to turn down has several meanings. Let's have a look at those meanings. A. To turn down means to turn the switch on a machine, for example, an oven, radio, etc., so that it produces less heat, sound, etc. It's the exact opposite to turn up. Have a look at the examples below. Can you turn down the TV? I'm trying to study. Produce less sound. I'll turn down the heater. It's too hot in the room. Produce less heat. B. To turn down means to refuse an offer, request, or invitation. Have a look at the example over here. Anne offered Peter the job, but he turned it down, meaning that Peter refused the offer. C. To turn down means to refuse someone's offer of marriage. Have a look at the example over here. We were shocked to hear that Lily turned him down, meaning that Lily refused his offer of marriage. D. If the economy turns down, it means that the level of activity falls. Companies become less profitable, etc. Have a look at the example over here. After the crisis in 2008, the economy has turned down. Now, to break up also has several meanings. Let's have a look at those meanings. A. To break up means to break into a lot of small pieces. Have a look at the example over here. The vase just broke up in my hands. B. To break up means to separate something into several smaller parts. For example, I think that their intention is to break up our company into several smaller ones. C. To break up means to stop a fight. For example, their mom was the one to break up fights, to stop the fight. D. To break up means to make people leave a place where they have been meeting or protesting. For example, police broke up the demonstration. E. To break up with. When speaking of marriage, group of people, or relationship indicates that the people in this relationship separate or do not live or work together anymore. Have a look at the examples over here. I was so sad to hear that my favorite band broke up. Separated. James broke up with Kate last year. Separated. Here is a short story using the phrasal verbs turn down and break up. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Have you heard the latest news? No, what's up? Sam and Alice broke up. What? No way. How did it happen? Apparently, Sam proposed to Alice in public and she turned him down. That's heartbreaking. I thought they were going to get married soon. They had been talking about that for months. I know. Their breakup is a sad news for everyone.